Look at this channel. This channel has 900,000 subscribers in only 88 videos, and all videos are shorts form content. This channel is only 4 months old, and it has the strong community. According to Social Blade, this channel is earning $62,000 to approximately $1,000 monthly. I don't know that this channel is monetized or not, but if this channel is monetized, this is the real earning of this channel. It has gained 250 million views in last 30 days. All states you can see here. Apart from this channel, other more channels are doing great and earning thousands of dollars. This type of channels create only troll face videos. If you don't know about troll face video, watch this video till end. You will get everything about it. But I know, many people of you have seen these videos at least once. These videos are basically videos from other sources and some viral clips, which are viewed by millions of people. So for creating these type of videos, no high-level editing is needed, only some efforts are needed. You will be able to create this type of video in 30 minutes. I will tell you the complete roadmap to make these trending viral videos and how to monetize these videos. You will also get the idea about it. So watch this video till end. So firstly, we will find our video clips, which are viral and have gotten millions of views. So I am searching on YouTube for these videos and clips. I downloaded this video. You will also need the troll phase music and troll face PNG. For this, you can search in Google for transparent images. Download that troll faces from here what you need. You can search on YouTube for this music to make it more effective and attractive, or you will get link in the description. After this process, you have to open CapCut. We are going to edit this video in CapCut. Import your video clips here. After importing all editing materials, you have to put these materials in timeline. Mute this video track because we are going to add our troll face music. Now we will add music and troll face. We need to adjust this according to timeline and music, so we will adjust or cut our music, and we will put only needed part. We need to freeze the frame here because the troll face is going to be used here. So according to timeline and music, we will adjust freezed frame. After this, we will add animation in our troll face. I am going to use Shake 1 animation because it is looking good. I was watching the glitch effect, but these all glitch effects are in Pro version, so I won't use that. If you have Pro version, you can use it. You can edit this video as you want. Now I am going to use old TV 2 effect in my freezed frame, so it is looking good. I am trying to find more attractive effects. You can also watch all effects. Now we will make our adjustment in our video. After that, we are going to add our full video and make this complete video according to our music. We will adjust this. We need to make our last music volume high because it engages the viewers. Now you can watch my full edited video. You have edited your video. Now you will have to make a channel and upload these videos consistently. If YouTube accepts your monetization, you will earn thousands of dollars. And if YouTube rejects your monetization, don't worry. Now you have the powerful audience, which will help you to make money from different sources like sponsorship or others. You can also post these videos in other platforms like Instagram and TikTok. So good luck. Subscribe my channel to earn unlimited money online.